Good morning, boys. 29th March 2020 Sunday. Hope you are enjoying the holidays. Today we are going to see the Bookback exercise of lesson 12, The Village Blacksmith, from main course book, page number 140. Before we go to the exercise, we have to understand the class. First, what is class? A group of words which has subject-verb combination is called class. These classes can be divided into two types. 1. Main class or independent class. 2. Subordinate class or dependent class. Boys, hope it was clear. Okay? Now, what is main class or independent class? And what is subordinate class or dependent class? The main class is a class that expresses a complete meaning and can also stand alone as a sentence, while the subordinate class doesn't express a complete thought and is usually dependent on the main class to express its meaning. Is it clear, boys? Now we are going to see the exercise, page number 140. Identify and underline the main classes and encircle the subordinate classes in these sentences. Sentence 1. The village blacksmith is a mighty man who stands under the chestnut tree. In this sentence, the village blacksmith is a mighty man is a main class. Why? Because it expresses a complete meaning and can also stand alone as a sentence. Who stands under the chestnut tree is a subordinate class. Why? Because it doesn't express a complete thought and is usually dependent on the main class to express its meaning. Now, boys, underline the village blacksmith is a mighty man as a main class. Now, encircle the subordinate class who stands under the chestnut tree. Now, sentence 2. The village blacksmith was born in Punjab is main class. So, underline it. But he now lives in Bihar is a subordinate class. So, encircle it. Now, sentence 3. I first met her in Delhi is main class. So, underline it. Where I lived 10 years ago is subordinate class. So, encircle it. Now, sentence 4. I'll be home by 7 is a main class, so underline it. Unless the class is delayed is subordinate class, so encircle it. Now sentence 5. The speaker thanked the village blacksmith is a main class, so underline it. Because he taught him a lesson is subordinate class, so encircle it. Now exercise C2, page number 140. Find out whether the highlighted portion is the main class or the subordinate class in these sentences. Sentence number 1. John likes to play the guitar but only on stage. Here, but only on stage is subordinate class. Sentence 2. When I am in London, I like to visit the museums. Here, when I am in London is a subordinate class. Now next page, number 141. Sentence 3. I was working when the fire alarm rang. Here, I was working is main class. Now sentence 4. Can you tell me why you are upset? Here, can you tell me is a main class. 5. I am afraid this is not working out. Okay, this is not working out is a subordinate class. Boys, chapter 12 is finished. Synonyms, antonyms, make sentence, one word meaning and question answers will be posted in your WhatsApp group. Boys, we have completed the entire syllabus for the final exam. We will take up the test for lesson 12 on Wednesday. Thursday, we will have test on grammar chapter 19 and 20. Below, I am sending you the link for questionnaire. Please fill and submit the same. Thank you boys. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.